Hi, welcome guys. So this first video within this series covers installing Terraform. So that's part 1. Part 2, 3 and 4 cover creating resources within Azure, such as virtual networks, network security groups, virtual machines, firewall rules, etc. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get on with part 1, installing Terraform, and I'll see you further on in the videos. Thanks guys. So if we go to a browser and type Terraform, so we're looking to download the Terraform package. If we go to the Terraform sites, and then if we download the package for your operating system, so in this case it's Windows 64-bit, an Azure directory has been created in the root of the C drive, so the package has been copied here. So if we extract that package now into the Azure directory, for this build of Terraform we're going to be using the Azure CLI. So if we go to the downloads, Azure CLI on the Microsoft site, if we select our operating system, and then if we select the MSI download there, if we double click the Azure CLI MSI to install it, basically just click next. So once the Azure CLI is installed, if you go to start and then run the Azure CLI PowerShell, if you type AZ login, AZ space login, this will allow you to log into Azure with your account and then allow Terraform to talk to Azure. So once we've logged into Azure, we get this message within the browser. Okay then guys, so that concludes part 1. We've now installed Terraform and we're ready to provision resources within Azure. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you've enjoyed the video so far. I'll see you in part 2.